Saan yung mga biyaheng pa Puerto? 600 each yung ticket and then may 30 pesos na terminal fee. Ito na kami sa Balatero Port. Another payment, 120.
Itong Birdman, 600 po, 500 na lang ibibigay ko sa'yo.
Ano to? Sa taas to?
Ito,
Struggle tumawid ng bangka, mga dude. Lakas ng alon, hindi ko na ng video. What's up mga dude? What's up mga dude? What's up mga dude? What's up mga dude? Life is short!
Ayusin na ang bag, let's go and leave. Walk in the day wherever we end up. From the city to the edge of the sea, on Dude's journey, let's go together. Yeah, any dude, come and explore every corner of the Philippines, every scenery, new face, bagong kwento, new joy. In every journey, may bagong ala-ala. Tara na sa jeep, there is laughter, Sagada or Palawan. The beauty is unique, in injustice out by the roadside. There's always a story in every journey we take. Bayani dude, come and explore every corner of the Philippines, every scenery, new face, bagong kwento, new joy. In every journey, may bagong ala-ala. Walang plano, as long as there is sky and road. Every step there are questions and answers, wherever the wind takes us, as long as you're with me. Sulit ang Viking and pair, like, comments, together on the trip. Dude's Journey, a worthwhile vlog, from Luzon to Mindanao. Let's go, let's travel.
So we're now in Batangas Port. Yun o, Negro, Montenegro.
Ano negro?
Yan o, Negro.
Negra?
Ay, Negra. Puerto. Sir, saan yung mga biyaheng pa Puerto?
Puerto, dito po mga bus stop.
Ay, doon, sa kabila. Okay, thank you. Kabila daw, doon daw yung domestic. International dyan eh. 7:14. 8 AM kay Montenegro. 8 AM din dito. Ilang oras biyahe sa pass? 1 hour. Montenegro price, regular price is 425. 612 yung pass trap. And then 8 AM Roro. Madam, anong oras yung pass crop?
10:45.
10?
45.
45. Itong Roro, ilang oras yung biyahe niyan?
1.5 po.
1.5 hours. Kaya lang.
Mapahingin naman ako na matagal to, syempre.
Oo. 1.5 hours. Doon 1 hour. Doon na tayo. 600. Okay. Galerian. Ayun mga dude. Waiting area namin. Gate 4. And then, Galerian ship yung sasakay namin na pass crop. 8 AM. Bili lang tayo ng terminal ticket.
30 pesos.
No tips, please. Dalawa.
May 10 po.
B terminal. Okay na madam, no? Thank you. Tapos punta na tayo sa window 4. Ay, gate 4 pala.
Anong gagawin?
Tinatapata to?
Meron ba?
To. O diba ayaw? Yun! Ang galing. Oh, yung terminal fee, ay terminal yung tinatap. Terminal ticket. Alright mga dude, good morning. And nandito kami ngayon sa Batangas Port Pier. And papunta kami ng... Saan tayo pupunta, Bi?
Puerto Princesa.
Puerto Galera. And ayun, sasakyan namin is Galerian. 600 each yung ticket and then may 30 pesos na terminal fee. So yun pa lang yung binayaran namin ngayon. Update ko kayo sa mga magagastos namin dito. Alright, so let's go! May seat number pala itong Galerian. U28 kami. Dito kami sa baba. Aircon? Wow! Gala muna tayo. Hanapin natin yung CR. Ay, meron din dito. Baba. Pero nasaan yung CR? Walang CR. Ito CR. CR. Baka natalabas. Ay, oh. Suot ko na rin mga doon yung weight belt ko para hindi hassle. Mabigat kasi. Alright. So, let's go. Dito muna ako dito. Huwag muna tayo. Good morning. Sarap matulog. 1 hour. 1 hour lang yung biyahe. Nakatulog din naman. Good morning mga dudes. Andito na kami sa Puerto Galera. Let's go. Alright. Andito na kami sa Balatero Port ng Puerto Galera. And 1 hour lang yung biyahe natin. Sobrang bilis. And then punta tayo sa White Beach. Nandun yung HQ ng Free Dive In. Free Diving School. Yung lalaki ng mga foreigner. Parang mga avatar yun, no? Pinanood natin kanina. Eh, no? Mga avatar. May mga tricycle na po dito. Alright, thank you. Ano yan? For tourist? Tourist tayo. So pagbaba mo pala dito sa port, meron pang another payment, 120. Parang tourist fee. Video. Bali, ito sir, parang ano ba to, Honda Click o
Skydrive po
Skydrive,
yan. 500 po. Rin naman
Itong
Birdman, 600 po.
600.
500 na lang ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Itong Yamaha Aerox,
700 po yan, 155cc.
Bergman, 500 na lang din. Wala
Pare-
nang bawas yung 500 nyo dyan.
So, bawas na po nga. 500, 600, binigay ko na po sa inyo, 500 na lang. 24 hours yun naman, sir.
Mas okay kasing mag-rent na lang tayo ng motor kaysa mamasahe tayo, mag-tok-tok. Magkano ang pamasahe papuntang White Beach? Papuntang Tamaraw is 250 yung pamasahe. Tapos balikan 500 na kagad yun. Eh maglilibot pa kami. May mga restriction po ba dito? Mga policy sa
Lagi po lang
pagmumotor?
tayo may naka-helmet po.
Lagi na kayo. Okay lang kasi nakachilelas lang kami.
Oras naman po kayo. Right hand naman po yung dala nyo.
Ay, mga hindi pwedeng puntahan.
Ano lang ho, yung Infinity, labas na po yan ng Puerto Galera. City na po yan.
Ano to? Sa taas to?
Ito, Penterosa, makikita nyo na yung anong yan sa taas. Maganda din po yan. Nandiyan ang golf course, yung plane.
Parang may kainan din ba dyan?
Meron din na dyan.
Kaso yun nga, umambon, umulan.
Kailan ba ngayon lang ho yan? Mamay, init na yan. Hindi naman nung nag-uulan.
Ato yung umaga. Kahit kahapon ganyan din.
Yung nga umbon lang ho, mamaya wala na.
Pa-check na lang din po nung level, 2 bar. Alright, double check lang natin yung tsura ng motor para pag binalik natin yung same pa rin. Ito, may gas-gas dito. Gas. Ito, may konti sa gilid. Tsaka dito. Alright, so let's go mga dude! Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go. Labo. Yay.
Alright mga dude, so magkasalin muna tayo. Okay na yan, 200 hanggang bukas. White Beach here. What's up mga dude? Good morning and welcome to White Beach, Puerto Galera! Woo! Ha? Ayun yung White Beach. White Beach yan. Ayun yung white to.
In-stop mo. Nandun na in-stop. Mula dive in. Ito ang dadaanan natin.
5 minutes walk kung lalakarin.
Ito nga ang dadaanan.
Oo.
Ito na oh.
Alright mga dude, so nandito na kami sa free dive in and mag-check in lang kami. So sabi ni Coach Eva is pwede naman daw mag early check in dito.
Morning po.
Good morning po. Ayun mga dude, so hindi pa kami nagda-dive is dudugo na kagad yung ilong namin dito.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is
Coach
Eva.
Eva. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric.
And
Hello.
then
Your room is ready.
Oh, alright.
And
Sorry.
12, we have lessons in swimming pool with students. You want today diving? Or tomorrow?
sorry?
You want diving tomorrow or
We
today?
will dive today.
Today.
Yes.
It's possible around 2. If you want just swim, you can swim. Yeah. This place very safe without current. No, maybe sometimes current, but it's little bit, not strong.
Okay, so
Yeah.
our boat dive is 2 p.m.
Yeah.
Okay, and our coach will
I'm
be...
actually cooking for kids now.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, it's kids of your.
Okay. What's the name of our the
Mao.
instructor? Coach Mao.
Yeah. Mao.
Nice meeting you, Mao.
Hello.
Mel and Eric.
Baliktad.
Ay, Eric and Mel. Sorry.
Welcome.
Alright, thank you so much. So, if we will dive 2 p.m.,
Yeah.
we have a restaurant here that we can order
you
also.
Can order food. Yeah, I can
Alright.
show you menu. You can choose some food if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can explain exactly what kind of activity you need.
Okay. Actually,
One day po.
this is our first time in Puerto Galera and we want to explore the coral reefs. Yep, here. So we want boat dive to explore the area.
Yeah. No,
Fun dive, yes.
For corals, yeah.
Fun dive.
Yes, I know very nice places with corals, very beautiful. Just 5-10 minutes by boat.
Okay. And also, you said that we cannot go to the shipwreck
Yeah.
because of
It's
the
so far.
current.
Yeah, current so far and the windy from
From the
located
Sabang,
is
right?
Here. Yes.
Going here.
What you want is located near Sabang.
Mhm.
It's very far and
Very. Now in Sabang, because it's strong wind, very.
The wind.
Here, in the shadow.
Yeah.
If you go to Sabang, we go to straight wind.
yeah.
Okay, we will.
No. We will in the shadow.
The direction of the wind going here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I show you room.
Alright, thank you. Alright, that's Alex, right?
Yeah.
Coach Alex.
Yellow T-shirt. It's
Yeah.
Alex. Yeah.
Okay.
Your instructor we start with this is Mao.
He is the Wave 3 IT.
Yes, he's
Alright.
instructor trainer of no challenge. Yeah. This is
Do you have
Okay.
any
Go.
student today? Do you have student
we
today?
have student because we're international school, multi-channel system.
Are they taking wave also?
Yeah.
Okay.
Our Alexei instructor, he is from Belarus. I'm from Kazakhstan. Alex
Okay.
from Russia.
So the language is Russian.
Yeah, now
Okay.
it's
Ah,
Russian.
So,
Yeah.
there's a language barrier.
Yeah.
Okay. But we can use also the pool.
Yes, of course you can.
Can we,
Yeah, you can go
Okay.
to the beach, left side, yes, this side, and you can see swimming pool. Yeah.
Okay, I thought this pre-diving is different
Yeah,
resort.
different. Yeah.
But we can also
Yes,
still use
yes,
the
of course
swimming
you
pool.
can use swimming pool. Yeah.
Okay.
It's our if you want rent motorbike, I can chat our.
I'm already we're already, and then we park.
Parking. Look,
up.
you see, you can parking here.
So how to go down
Yeah.
there?
you just need go to straight on the road, turn right side, main gate Tamarao,
Okay,
and go straight here.
okay.
Yeah. You can parking here. It's free.
All right.
No worries.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Enjoy your stay. See you later. Thank you.
Alright mga dudes, so ito yung room namin. There's a double deck here. Wow, napapa-English tuloy ako. Nosebleed na kagad mga dudes, hindi pa nagda-dive. Tapos there's a king bed here. Window. Tapos ito yung CR natin. Oh, kita mo may hot and cold shower tayo. Then maganda, malinis. And then toothbrush, toothpaste. Alright. Ay, wifi. Hindi natin punta tayo sa labas mamaya. Palambigin muna natin tong aircon. Tapos 2 PM daw tayo. So, kain muna tayo, no? Tapos pahinga. Kung malakas dito, paano pa sa Sabang? Eh, nandun nang gagaling yung hangin. Pero yung hampas lang naman dito sa shore. Yung malakas ang tunog. Kasi yung mga bata andun, no?
Oh, yan na.
So, parang kalmado din. Alright. Let's go. Tara, order tayo. For one person lang to.
Opo, one portion lang. Hindi magtatagal.
Dugo na yun namin eh. Ay, parang mga ano to ah.
Filipino food po yung karamihan, pero may mga Russian food din po sila. Isa pong pork sinigang at saka garlic prawns.
Okay. Water, pwede naman yung water, no?
Pre naman po.
May dito, pwede mag-refill.
Oo naman po, pre naman.
Hot water pwede din, diba?
Pwede rin po, pre.
Coffee, pwede ba yung coffee dito?
Hindi po.
Hindi na.
Pwede naman po kami mamili ng mainit na coffee kapag may 3-in-1 po kayo.
Okay. Pang ilan yan? Isa lang? Isa lang?
Ewan ko. Sa room natin, para sa room natin.
Ah, room 3. Okay. So, ito is parking ng Tamarao. And pwede naman daw natin ilagay dito yung motor. So, ito lang yung pre-dive-in. Kanina nasa taas siya. Eh, medyo nag-aalilangan ako doon. Masyado mataas. So, ibinaba ko dito yung motor para safe siya. Baka mamaya magbayad pa tayo. Alright. What's that? Tarantula?
No, it's python,
Python.
but I don't know where.
Wow.
You can see the film.
Oh, there's a Nemo there. What's this?
It's a
Grouper?
dragon. No, it's dragon.
Little grouper.
Yeah. Oh, you see?
Yeah.
Dragon fish.
So where did you get the fish there or?
Yeah, here. It's all from our
And then, okay. How about the anemone?
small animal also this, yeah.
And then
Before
it will grow here.
Yeah, before typhoon we get it because here it's not safe here. Because when we have typhoon, we have strong waves and as well, and this just died.
Alright.
You see special crabs in Anemone.
Ah, okay. There's also crab. Ah, I didn't see that. Okay. Is it hard to maintain?
No, it's not hard. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just have a filter and then.
Yeah, a lot of filters. Yes, a lot of steps. It's I don't know, stones, some sponge.
Okay. How about the the salt or the salinity of the water? It came from the ocean directly? Okay.
Every day, Mao change.
Okay.
water, yeah.
It's not hard for you to change water because pwede dyan, pwede dito. Pwede na tayo sa shore. Sa shore. Siyempre. Di lalo sa Sabang. Andun yung hangin eh. Papunta dito. Foreigner talaga yung nandito. Karamihan. Ito yung accommodation ng Tamaraw. Ito, parang botanical Chinese. Tapos punta tayo sa pool.
Pool yan?
Pool yan. Tapos may parang island sa gitna. Parang U-shape siya. Magandang pool training pag ganon, pa U. Ayun di ba? Diba? Ang haba niyan. Tapos ikutin mo pa ganon. Ito yung Tamaraw. And then katabi nito yung Sunset Resort. Puntahan natin. Oh, nice one. Tapos may swimming pool din dito. Pero kakunti yung tao dito ngayon. Ito pala mga dude yung mga nila. Classroom nila. Yung yoga. And then pins, yoga mat, or mga pins. Tapos ito yung mga wetsuit. Mask. Oh, spear fishing. Alright, sakto. Andito na yung food.
I think tubig pa lang.
Tubig na lang po, madam. Ayun na yung food namin, oh. Shrimp, ano yan? Buttered. Grilled. Tapos, sinigang. Struggle tumawid ng bangka, mga dude. Lakas ng alon, hindi ko na nang videohan kanina. Pero ayun, at least, andito na kami.
Yeah, any dude, come and explore every corner of the Philippines, every scenery, new face.